For today's video, everyone, we are going to be installing Hidden Shine 100 feet small LED strip lights. They are dimmable. I'm just showing you my area. I'm putting them in my living room, you guys. Here are the lights, and I pulled the back stripping off of it too, you guys. To make sure you do subscribe to the channel, GlamQueenofDIY. Her home is, her tablescapes, her shorts, and also Molux vlogs. All our channel links are down in the description box. Now you guys, this first portion of the clip is blurred. I'm going to include what the lights look like across the screen. I did accidentally delete that portion of the video, but I'm just adding them on. And what you didn't see, I did put the lights around the TV as well. So I'm just adding the lights into the top corner or the top crease part of the wall, and I'm going to do that all the way around the wall, you guys, so that I can add a different ambiance in the space. And once again, this LED strip light does come with a remote control. You can also program it too to be used with your phone. It has a 400 key controller. It is for your, this is actually indoor LED light strip. It can sync with your music. It's also good for a bedroom, office, a man cave, a family room, any area of your home. But they do look marvelous in your man cave or your she caves as well. Now I'm going to give you a little bit more information about these light strips. Their brand is called Hidden Shine. They are a seller on Amazon. And you guys, right now these light strips are $12.98. Make sure you do hit that link down in the description. They are dimmable. They are RGB color changing. Once again, they do sync with your music. They also have a timer function on them as well. Now when we get close to the end of the installation of these light strips, I'm going to show you the different color variations, but all I'm doing is putting them on. That back piece of the light strip is self-adhesive. Now you guys, this is also a double pack. You heard me right, it is a double pack for that lovely $12.98. Now I have used several of these. I'm going to bring you a separate video to let you see. I have 5 different types of these lights already installed in my home. Now by the time you guys are seeing this video, these lights have been up for probably now well over a month and a half to 2 months, and we're loving them. We're going to actually still be redoing them because we're still doing something here different in the space, but it's very easy to assemble. It does come with the power adapter and the controller. Once again, it is a dual pack. You can use this with your cell phone, and they also make for a great piece for a child's room. You can also use the lights as night lights as well. But and you know, I will tell you too, the white end up being very bright. But you guys, make sure you click that link down in the description. Now just follow me along as we finish the installation of this LED strip light. Alright you guys, this is what the lights look like finished, and I'm going to do a complete panorama view. I'm showing you this in the daylight. You're going to be seeing these lights again. This is the view of the lights around the TV, and I will tell you, they do look marvelous here in the living room. Once again, they are a great item to have for your man cave or your she cave. Also for a den or a family room, a game room as well. You will not go wrong with using these added lights. I like to add extra lights in my space that doesn't require the overhead lights and use of the lamps all the time, but I will tell you guys, they are gorgeous. And here in the little spot that you do see, that's why I ran the light strip up from the wall, because I told you I did connect these to my TV as well. Now with both of these two sets, once again, it was a 100 foot per roll, if I ain't mistaken, but they were 100 foot light strip. You guys, make sure you do check out Hidden Shine. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channels. All the links are down in the description, and we'll see you guys in another video very soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day.